Don't miss the opportunity to take a look at this wonderful 4-bedroom home located at 323 North Madison Street in the city of Perry. This home features 2 full baths, first floor laundry, a main level bedroom and bath, and spacious rooms throughout. As you enter this home, you are welcomed into the enclosed porch that has been converted into living space, which is perfect for a sitting room or home office. The formal dining room is great sized and leads into the kitchen or on the other side into the living room. The living room has large windows and allows lots of natural lighting in. The kitchen is great sized, has good countertop space and cabinet storage. Plus there's large windows that allow natural lighting and a view of the backyard. Off the kitchen, there's a 3 seasons room with built-in storage. The upper level features 3 more bedrooms, with the largest bedroom offering a walk-in closet and private full bath. This home has good storage inside and out. The backyard features a brick patio area with built-in fireplace. It is also completely fenced. There's a storage shed and a 28 by 30 detached garage. There's lots of landscaping and flower beds around the property. Not to mention a concrete driveway, vinyl siding and windows for a maintenance-free exterior. My name is Barb Roll-Wyzga with Coldwell Banker Professionals. I appreciate you previewing this home with me. If you'd like more information or to schedule a time to see it, you can call or text me at 517-712-8009.